This is a FUO5B FM transmitter. This is the antenna. And before you use the FM transmitter, you should plug in the antenna. And then let's plug in the power. You should pay attention to this is the power button, and click on the power button. You will turn on the FM transmitter, and you can press on these two buttons to adjust the frequency like that. Also, you can plug in your microphone here and adjust the volume here. And also, you can connect to your phone or MP3 player using the audio input line and plug into here and adjust the volume. And if you want to adjust the frequency as you want, you can also press and hold the power button. Basically, the original setting of the transmitter is 76 frequency to 188 megahertz, and beyond this range, the signal may be weak. So if you still want to adjust the frequency, don't forget to find a proper antenna for that, because the original antenna is made for the normal setting. And also, if you have any question, don't be hesitate to connect with me and leave a message down below. We are more than willing to give you a hand. If you enjoy our video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye!